now that you've got your list of areas, we're going to go into the first area and we're going to just assess what catches our eye. We may find that there's cables, clothes, things to be put away, or things that maybe aren't aligned in a way that is pleasing to the eye. And then we're going to come back and score next to the area 3 things. Okay, now we go on to the next area and do the same observation until we've got to the end of the list, and now we've got a complete objective view of how many things in our house are likely to catch or are catching our mind. We only want to do things that can be done quickly. If it's something that's going to take a little bit longer, leave that for later. Note it, write it down next to your map of what has to be done for later, but don't do it right now.
And as you can see here, we have all areas completed, and not every area is fully completed. There are some things still left over. The intention isn't to complete every area, it's just simply to make it look more visually appealing. So when you walk into the room, it doesn't draw your mind into it and subsequently take your energy.
Let's say you've got one of those tasks like laundry that requires multiple actions. So you've left that until the end and now you've got a list. Now you want to put that into your calendar and allocate time to do it. Anytime you do a task, you want to focus on it being pre-planned and then doing it. You want to completely avoid going to do one task and then doing another. You're going to feel like you're not keeping to your structure and you're going to feel unorganized. You want to just be doing one task, focusing on that, completing it, ticking it off, and then going to the next. In addition to that, try and consolidate mess or even shift things around just to promote some energy flow, and you'll be surprised at how much energy this gives you.